I want to go to sleep.
Oh, dude, we just started the video. I said we wouldn't stop filming until you wanted to go to sleep. This idiot. This idiot. You hear this idiot?
It's 5:18 in the morning.
Yeah, and we're idiots, and we're not sleeping.
Oh, that was you. Hey, let's go to the hardest level. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Expert, like we were playing earlier.
Yeah.
We're gonna have friends.
We're gonna have friends. We'll have you know.
I call having the first friend. I haven't been using the friends as much.
You're a loser.
No, I meant like...
We're doing friend builds on Diablo. Fuck this.
You can swear.
Oh, yeah. We can swear.
No. Wait, we have two of them. How strong is it? Oh my god.
Strong enough.
It's not that strong. These are pretty... This is pretty weak. Compared to
We're doing friend builds. We're gonna kill everything that stands in our way.
And we're only going left.
Unless we have to go
right. Unless we have to go right, we are only going left.
He's probably the only guy I'm gonna be able to do an actual collab with that isn't just annoying. Because he's...
I'm not annoying.
Oh, you are. He's not as annoying. But he's an idiot like me, so...
Fair.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now you're the annoying. It's pretty slow.
Bro.
Oh. Didn't even...
Dude, we just... Get out of here,
I didn't even realize I already had it, too. I didn't even realize I already had the ability, too.
He hasn't played this game before, so we had to... Shut up.
Like second and a half time.
We had to do a little run through.
This is my first and a half time. Where am I?
Remember to get the ring this time. We didn't do that last time. We didn't get the ring.
Yeah, drop me the ring. We're both intelligence based, actually. Oh.
I'm just gonna...
Look for something. I get the better things.
Remember this?
Oh, yeah. I get it, though, because I had it first.
You know what? No, it's not fair.
Yeah, no. Nothing.
Fuck
we
it.
Don't get anything.
You only get the ring.
No,
because
no.
we started...
Wait, what about me?
Get the ring, then. It's in the chest.
Oh.
You're guaranteed one every time you make... I just had a stroke. You're guaranteed one every time you make a character.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. You didn't have to equip that twice.
Yay. Oh, yeah, I forgot I made this one. Hey, guys, you want to know what my past name was? Too bad, you don't get to know.
I'm about to say, you better not say that. You better not say that. You're white. You can't be saying that.
Well, they already know what it was now. It was funny when they said my name, too.
The characters don't say your name.
Well, it popped up on the text, so...
Yeah. Because... Hold on.
Hey, let's
because it shows the name of who's talking.
I know, it still said it.
Shows the name of who's talking.
Technically said it.
No one said it. It just showed your name.
He was a girl last time.
Shut up. Who? Oh. I would. No, he would. I'm having a stroke.
I tricked you. Mine. Wait, we both get one. I would have laughed if you got both of them.
Nah.
God damn it.
I'm putting my hand on his thigh.
I'm smacking the camera.
Nope.
It has such low quality.
It's a phone. I'm recording from a phone. What did you expect?
Womp womp. Do it better. Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
I'm poor, unlike you, rich boy.
We're not even that rich.
Okay?
I mean, sure, we own a business, but
Your
we're not
parents own a racing company. Your
Yep.
parents work with NASCAR. What do you
I
mean?
thought you were about to say NASA. Yep, my
No.
parents work with NASA. Oh, I got that.
Yeah, they work with fucking NASA. Did I get anything?
Oh, wait.
Oh. I'm gonna fart.
Oh, no. When do I get this? Level 5. Level 5, you better be ready for level 5.
I love the fact sometimes they just explode when they die, like that. Did you see that? When you kill these zombies, they just blew it.
WWE. Friends. You better be ready for level 5 too.
We're doing friend builds. We have to get ready for level 5.
Because that's our first friend. Because we're not friends. We're friends with each other's friends. We're not friends. We can make friends with people that try to kill us. We're that good of friends. Ah, I got it.
Well, you got a shield. A shield is useless.
No, it gave me +9 armor.
And the lack of balls you have gives you armor.
How does that give me armor?
Because what are they gonna kick? What are they gonna kick? You don't have no balls to kick.
You?
Okay, same thing.
Oh no, I went into the void.
I threw that spear the wrong way.
I saw.
We got gloves.
You did.
No, you did too.
Oh. I did.
Dumbass.
Dicey.
Hmm.
Wait, our pets.
I don't think we're level 5 yet, buddy.
Oh, we get them at level 5? Where do we equip them at?
Oh. Right.
You were thinking, you got this one though. You got the blood rose. I got the. Okay. Wings. We don't need wings. Just the pets.
Nah.
No.
Nah.
You got the bright ones though. Oh.
I get this reference.
What reference?
This is my pet.
What about the pet?
That's exactly it. You don't get the reference. I'm not going to be putting on Paragon till he gets Paragon.
No, we just don't use paragons. How about that?
Nah, we have to use Paragons eventually.
Nah, we don't need to.
Say it again, I'm putting on some Paragon points. I'm touching his knee. You can hear him cry and suffer from it.
Now we can tell each other apart.
Let's go this way.
No, left, which is up. Up is always left. See, told you.
Yeah, but you got 56 gold coins. Tell me you're not happy.
You have like 100 or something.
I have 287,077.
Exactly, and I only have 0.
You're in the wrong one, idiot.
Wait, what?
You have like half as much as me.
When did I get so much?
From playing.
Oh.
Remember how we were playing earlier on, We were playing earlier on fucking... this one?
No.
Yeah, we were.
Remember? Could go... Yeah, for like a minute, if that.
Man, shut your bitch ass up before coming in and shoot your ass.
He's barfing every... No, this one.
Aww. I wanted it.
Now I'm getting everything instead of you.
Dude, we've both been getting everything occasionally.
Experience per kill? Sure. I get more experience now. Ha ha. I always forget about that. Only level 4.
My leg is itchy.
I want to explode those corpses.
Wiggly wobbly, wiggly wobbly,
We can make a nuke out of those corpses. Wait, we both get to explode those corpses. Wait a minute. Wait, how is it exploding right now? What? Oh, we already got the exploding corpses.
Yeah.
When did we get it?
Just now?
Oh. I didn't realize that. Okay.
Or we've had it for a while and we're both just idiots.
Okay. Why are you using... Oh, wait, does it use any mana? Or whatever?
I don't think so.
No, it doesn't. All the corpse-related ones don't. I can't wait till we get friends. Ew, they're puking. That's an ick.
Aw, you got a belt? I want a belt. My pants are falling. I'm about to whip it out.
I don't think anybody wants to see that right now.
The camera isn't turned to me, so they wouldn't see it.
I would. Yo,
Okay, but you're gay. You want to see that kind of thing.
Which one am I again?
Oh. The one that's just called something because you took it too literally when I told you to name your character something.
Friends.
Oh, we can do that now?
Yeah, we just turned level 5. Friends. They don't last for that long. But our next...
Yeah, but they're friends.
Our next pair of friends... They're like those one-time friends. It's almost like a one-night stand, but friends.
For like the 2 viewers that are watching this video, friend build is Skeletal Mage, Command Skeletons, Command Golem, Army of the Dead, and... Where is it? And Revive.
Can't forget the, can't forget the thingy. This one.
Oh yeah, Blood Siphon. It's not really...
It just helps, though.
Yeah, it's just better. It was just better. Giggity googity ga. Man, I want gloves. You should drop me those. Oh wait, we both have gloves, remember?
We do?
Yeah. If I could show you if you left.
Okay.
Yeah, we both have gloves. Where are you going?
You said you would show me if I left.
No, I didn't. Wait, hey. Wait. Come back here.
Isn't that weird?
I don't know. I don't think James is here.
He's not.
Hmm.
Okay.
I tried to do the Mario voice, but my voice just gave up. Mario. Oh.
That sounds like... Oh.
I want that. Yippee!
Okay, if you pick it up, I get it.
What? Huh?
That's basically what's happening.
Oh, wait. Because we're both necromancers, I thought I was you.
Earlier, we were both getting a little confused.
Yeah.
Mainly me, though. Wait, you got a club? I want a club.
You got a weapon.
I did.
But it kind of sucks ass.
Experience per
Kind of like
kill,
me,
though.
I suck ass a lot. It tastes good.
I did not want to hear that.
You had to think about that for a moment.
I doubt anyone was watching your videos.
I've had a few viewers. Someone commented on one of my fucking YouTube shorts. No, it wasn't YouTube shorts. It was the fucking only in real life video. What? I'm 15. I'm not allowed to do that. What?
I'm not judging.
I mean, don't put it past me, but I'm not old enough to do that yet.
Already?
Huh?
Stun enemies.
Huh?
When did we get this? 11. Go to skills. Oh, wait, guys.
Shut up.
Shut up.
I'm gonna say the N word. No, I'm kidding. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Hey, how would your viewers know? Maybe I am black.
That's a good point.
How would your viewers know? Maybe you are. Oh, yeah, fair point. What if that was an AI-generated video right
That is the stupidest shit you've said yet.
now?
No.
Yeah.
See, I got you to agree with it.
Damn it. You're stupid. I want to make everyone
Enemies.
disappear.
I've played this game about 1,000 times. I know everything that happens.
Womp womp. You're someone who never goes outside.
Kill the bot. Kill these guys.
Blow up their bodies.
Friends.
Friends. Oh, I forgot about friends. Friends. Who are they following? Haha, they're following me.
Don't talk to women. They're scary.
Hey, did you just fart?
Who knows? They could have been either one of us. We both have been doing it for quite a while, though, and this room smells like shit.
We should open the door.
No, that would just mustard gas the entire house. You know, for being the loudest idiots on this property, it's surprising nobody has woken up and came in here and slapped us silly.
Oh, okay, anytime I have someone over at my house, my brother wakes up.
Finally! Hey, look at this. Told you there was a little place down here.
What are we gonna do? Kill people? Oh.
Yeah.
Friends. Oh.
Nothing real interesting down here. It's just nice. You know?
Yeah, but we did get this thing on this thing.
I'm gonna nuke you.
Okay.
You know what? You know what? I have a bomb. I'm gonna explode us both. No, I'm kidding.
Dead man.
You don't even know how to use the dead man switch.
Yeah, you do. You just hold it.
Nope. Not how you do it. Let me show you. Let me show you. Here. Dumbass. Let me show you.
How do you use the dead man switch?
Okay, so you hold down the dead man switch. You press this one to arm it. Now if you let go of that button, we both die. You can't disarm it.
Oh. What if I just... It armed it twice.
Well, why do you keep arming it?
It'll make it more powerful. Alright, no, eat it. We'll be safe.
Alright.
No, eat your hand too.
How would I eat my hand?
So that we don't blow each other up. It'll blow your hand, but all that gelatin will keep us safe.
Okay, buckaroo.
I was gonna say lard, but that would have been too nice.
What? Crazy.
Do you even know what lard is?
No, actually I don't. What the fuck
it's
is
whale
lard?
Fat. This is taking too long. That's what she said.
It's too long.
That's what your mom said last night. You turned around in game to look at me. Oh, I just fell.
No, really? I thought we were flying.
Whee! No, I wanted to kill him. Ooh.
You don't get to. Yippee, I got the heart.
I don't want this. I want the heart. You're cheating. You're cheating. He's cheating, everybody. He's cheating.
This is a fucking PS4. What do you mean? What girlfriend? I'm gay.
He's cheating on me.
What?
With his girlfriend.
What?
I have more XP than you, I think.
Do you think if I'm... Okay. Do you think YouTube would allow me to use the F slur?
What's the F slur? It's not even that bad.
Yeah, okay, but it's still a slur.
How is it a slur? It's... I hear people say it all the time.
Well, okay. If you people say slurs all the time.
On YouTube.
Well, those are black people.
No, they're not. They are white people. Hey, use your friends.